guys. Check out what's in here. This is a fingerprint activated vault. Have you ever seen that in a car before? And then, guess what this is? This is a cigar holder right here. That's where that goes. And then, this right here is a humidor. Look at that! I have never seen that before. We are in a pimped out Mercedes-Benz V-Class. Right, next thing, this right here. This is your control panel. All right, now look what's in there. Your Nespresso machine. Check this out. TV up.
Command success.
That is so cool. And then you can actually command other things like this. Ceiling lights green, on.
Command success.
What? Ceiling lights on, blue.
Command success.
Okay, ceiling lights on, white.
Command success.
Okay, there we go. We can also open the curtains, let's see. All curtain open.
Command success.
This is your fridge, and then guess what's going to come out of here? Open drawer. You have whiskey glasses underneath the seat. It's quick, isn't it? And I love all the carbon fiber everywhere. That's gorgeous. All right, now how far back can you go? Oh. Oh. Oh my goodness. Oh. See you later, guys. It's been a tough day. An amazing Koenigsegg Regera just sitting there. We're at Alain class. Look at this. Carbon fiber umbrella. That is awesome. That goes in there. Now around the back. It keeps going. Push this and these little drawers come out. And also, guess what this is for? This is just a bar. You take the bar out, you pull these down, and you have yourself a clothes hanger. I've never seen that before. So you can hang your clothes, you can have snacks in these drawers, and you can play PlayStation or watch TV or do whatever you want. The standard V-Class, if you buy it, costs about $50,000. This one, with all the upgrades, costs about 5 times more. $250,000 for this. See you later.